Hi, welcome to the Ann and Ashley Show. I am Ann.
I'm Ashley.
And before we get to today's episode, please make sure you like, subscribe, and if you're on YouTube, hit the little notification button so you are sure to never miss an episode.
Yes.
And on today's episode, we are going to be talking about anti-inflammatory drinks. So some fun options. If you're anything like me, you get very bored with drinking plain water and it's just no fun. So these are some fun options that are going to have some health benefits as well. So over here we have an Apple Cider Spritzer.
And then over here we're going to be putting together a pumpkin pie smoothie. So some of the anti-inflammatory benefits of this particular drink is the pumpkin that's in it. So pumpkin is really rich in vitamin A, which is really good for our eye health, our gut health, skin health as well. It is rich in fiber, so it can also help your digestive system. It can help balance your blood sugar levels. It also is nutrient dense, low calorie, so it can help support or promote weight loss and then curb the appetite. It also is rich in antioxidants, so it can neutralize free radicals, which can be very damaging to our cells. And then it also has vitamin C in it, so it can help with your white blood cell production and really boost the immune system. It is also 94% water.
Nice. So,
Yes.
wow, in one little can.
In one can.
Well, the other thing I was
Yes.
just going to say, too,
Organic.
it's like organics,
Yep.
and then the BPA
Yes,
free
Yep,
can,
lining.
so the line of the can. So those are important to, when you're selecting, it's organic as well.
Yes. Well, it's not all of our ingredients are organic, but the best you can is better. The other thing in this ingredient list is cinnamon, which is very anti-inflammatory. It is also rich in antioxidants. It can help us fight off infections as well. So a couple other bonus things.
Yes, sounds delicious. I can't wait for that one.
Yeah.
For the Apple Cider Spritzer, so kind of the ingredient here, the powerhouse here is going to be the apple cider vinegar, and the active ingredient in here is the acetic acid. So in scientific research, acetic acid has been shown to kill bacteria or prevent bacteria from multiplying, so that's really important. Apple cider vinegar has also been shown to reduce insulin spikes. So after you have a meal or after you eat something that's higher in sugar, you can have those insulin spikes, and the apple cider vinegar will help curb that spike. So that helps because that contributes to the inflammatory response when you're constantly having those insulin spikes. It's also been shown in studies to help, similarly to the pumpkin, to help satiate people and to help people feel full, so they will eat less calories, so it can be used as a weight loss tool. And it's also been shown, again like pumpkin, to support heart health in reducing triglycerides, reducing cholesterol, and improving blood pressure. So very heart healthy. And then it's also rich in polyphenols, which are antioxidants, so like pumpkin as well, helpful to prevent DNA damage to cells. The other star ingredient here is the manuka honey, and this is antimicrobial, antibacterial, and really an immune powerhouse. So those are going to create a drink as well. So first, what we are going to do for the smoothie is a half of a cup of unsweetened canned pumpkin. Okay. The shining ingredient.
Yes, which this is organic and BPA liner free.
Yes.
So even with any of your ingredients, if you can get them organic, that would be in your best interest. We do not have all organic here, unfortunately, but okay. How much did you say?
So half a cup.
I don't even like pumpkin pie, but I feel like I'll like this.
Yeah, I love anything pumpkin.
Okay, I did like a cup.
Yeah, you did. You
Good.
did a lot.
That's okay.
That's right.
All right.
That's
More
where
pumpkin, the better, right?
the benefits come from the pumpkin.
Yeah, right.
So.
So we need to double up on cinnamon too.
Okay, next is the nut milk. So 1 cup.
So, okay, we picked almond milk for our nut milk. So whatever one you think is best. Coconut milk might be actually pretty good too.
Yeah. 3 ice cubes.
3.
3.
Is that part really?
2 or 3 it actually
Okay.
says. So your
this
choice.
one's-
They're stuck together. 2 heaping tablespoons of the almond butter.
Okay. Oh God.
That is
is
more than necessary.
Maybe I'll just do a little bit more, not so much heaping, because then it's like, then it's equal.
Yeah. Well, yeah, we're upping everything because we started off with a lot of pumpkin. So
yeah, there you go.
Okay, then we have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
You're gonna have a cinnamon taste when you stir it.
I like cinnamon, so it's fine by me.
So one of these.
One of those.
Cinnamon's very overpowering though, so I don't want to add too much.
Yeah. And then a teaspoon of the nutmeg.
Okay.
A teaspoon of the maple syrup.
Okay.
Again, this is
That's just
I
from
guess-
Kowalski's.
Yeah, this is 100% pure maple syrup.
Perfect.
Don't get the high fructose imitation maple syrup.
Yeah, yuck. Okay.
And then
Okay.
1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract.
Fancy.
Look at you
Ooh.
go.
I know I'm a pro.
Yeah.
This cooking show, please sponsor me. No, just kidding. Rachel Ray level.
Right. Food Network.
Yeah.
Here we come.
All right.
Real
What's
people
next?
cooking.
Yes.
Okay, not really cooking.
No.
Blending.
Blending. Okay.
You got it.
All right.
Too bad we don't have. And now with the magic
Oh my
of TV,
gosh,
the
right?
finished product.
Unfortunately.
So we're gonna blend. Plug your ears. It's loud. Perfect. That looks delish. Do you like our new cups?
The Ann and Ashley show official. Okay, and you can
Oh.
also add, since it's like pumpkin pie,
Mm-hmm.
some Ready Whip. This one's dairy free, almond milk.
All right.
Go.
Cheers. Okay.
It was actually pretty
It
good.
tastes like
It just
pumpkin
like pumpkin
pie. It's
Oh my gosh,
delicious.
that's awesome.
I love
Okay,
that.
me too.
Yep, that could be my afternoon hydration. Okay.
All right, so
So-
next we're gonna make Ann's apple cider spritzer. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it.
So you're going to do 8 ounces
8
of
ounces.
sparkling water.
Okay. And we are using Pellegrino here.
And you're going to pour this over ice.
Okay.
And then you're going to do apple cider vinegar at 1 tablespoon.
Okay, I like to shake it up a little bit first.
Ooh, good idea.
So the mother incorporates throughout all of it.
It sounds nasty.
It's the good part. How much?
1 tablespoon.
Okay, I'm gonna.
That's pretty potent too,
Yeah.
that flavor.
Okay, 1 tablespoon.
And then 1 tablespoon of a freshly squeezed lemon juice. Maybe, what if you just put like a slice of lemon in
You
there?
could do both.
Yeah, squeeze it and then we'll like whip out.
I like
measure.
real lemon juice.
Me too.
So this is what I do.
And then add like
Catch
1
the
slice
seeds.
in there. Just for garnish.
Yes. Okay, how much lemon juice did it say?
1 tablespoon.
Okay, that was probably more, but that's all right. Okay, we'll garnish our cups.
Perfect.
All right, what's next?
Next is a few drops of raw honey.
Okay, raw honey coming up.
Ooh, that smells strong, that
I
lemon.
love lemon.
Me too.
Okay, a few drops.
A few drops.
Hmm.
So, yeah, I don't
Obviously
really
they weren't
know.
Maybe working with
It's not a main
Manuka honey.
ingredient. Yeah.
Okay, there's a dollop
That's like a
Is it
big
dollop?
blob.
instead of a drop.
Okay. And that's it. Pour it over ice for serving.
Okay, now.
So mix it, of course. Here's your mixing spoon.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
All right. Get that honey and incorporate here. Okay, I'm gonna garnish. Okay. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
This is gonna be good too. This I can see sipping around a pool.
Poolside sipper.
Yes.
Cheers. Ooh, I
Oh my
really
gosh.
like it. It's really good. It's like a legit spritzer.
It is super refreshing.
I think these would be perfect for like Thanksgiving get-togethers, for a non-alcoholic beverage.
Yes.
I mean, this is good.
Yeah, really good.
But,
I love the bubbles.
Yes.
I'm a carbonation girl. I like to have that bubbly fizzy.
Yes, me too.
So, yeah.
The lemon and it's
It's
great.
really good. So hopefully these will be something that you can incorporate maybe into your Thanksgiving meal or any time that you're bored with just water.
Anti-inflammatory drinks.
Yes, anti-inflammatory drinks. Thank you. We'll see you in the next episode. Cheers. I like this one.
Me too.